Weatherman, don't tell me lies. I know it's all a big surprise. There's a hocus pocus magic.
Good morning. You're tuned in to WEI-TV. This is another weekly weather edition, and we welcome you. I am Meteorologist Dave Knollhoff. Let's go ahead and take a look at last week's weather. We had a big upper level low that slowly moved across the upper part of Texas last weekend. That did bring some rainfall to our neck of the woods here in the hill country. However, not as much as really what we had originally anticipated. Less than 1/10 of an inch in the west part of the hill country, and a range from about 1/10 to 2/10 across the eastern part of the hill country. There was some snow up in the northern part of Texas as well. Then a cold front came through and we cooled down quite a lot this week. And fortunately we've been able to recover a little bit temperature-wise by today, and we're starting to see a little warmer temperatures. We'll take a look at next week's forecast here in just a minute. Overall, for the month of December, we've had above rainfall across the state of Texas, which has been very beneficial. Back in September 2011, we saw 86% of the state was experiencing exceptional drought, and now with the rainfall since September through December, now only 33% of the state is experiencing exceptional drought. And statewide, however, because of La Nina and because the rain pattern is still somewhat negligible, we are experiencing 100% drought across the state. Let's go ahead and take a look at your forecast and see what we have for next week. So the question becomes, how are we going to ring the new year in 2012? Well, this weekend, Friday into Saturday, we're going to enjoy a 2-day warm-up. And it's going to warm up into the high in 70s. Low temperatures will be in the 50s Friday, Saturday time frame before a cold front comes through on Sunday. But first we'll have a little bit of fog, patchy fog around the eastern portion of the hill country Saturday morning time frame. I don't think all areas are going to see significant fog, but there might be some out there, might be some drizzle. So if you're out traveling, just be aware of that Saturday morning. And then Sunday, the cold front breezes through, dry for the hill country on Sunday, cooling our temperatures down from Sunday through Friday. High temperatures will only be in the 50s and lows will be in the 30s. Now next Thursday, Friday time frame, we are going to see a little bit of rainfall in the very far eastern part of Texas. Of course, that's not going to affect our area. So we're really looking at dry weather. La Nina is still the influencing factor of our weather pattern because the jet stream is far to our north and we're in a zonal pattern, and that's going to keep our weather pattern fairly benign and quiet. Okay, so with the passing of the cold front this week, we usher in those northerly winds, and the cedar, unfortunately, is blooming and also moving in from the Rockies. And so we're starting to get that accumulation of cedar pollen in the air, and it's making allergy sufferers feel a little bit worse. And so that expectation is going to continue this week, and probably for the onset for at least the next few weeks, we're going to have that pollen in the air. We do have a special announcement from our very special lead environmentarian, Donnie Mitchell.
Hey everybody, it's Donnie Mitchell, your lead environmentarian over here at Westward. And I got a little message for all my fans out there. I want everybody to have a wonderful New Year's. May your beard be domestic. May your peas have black eyes. And may your Skinner always be loud.
When I head on out the door, I remember what you said before, but I grabbed my raincoat anyway. When it comes to being right, your accuracy is such a fright. Just throw a dart and tell me where it lands. Donnie Mitchell did look cold. That vest he has is very bold, but I guess we're lucky he was wearing pants.